this drowning flood. We'll rise above, just like Noah does. Through the storm we'll find our